the chicken, which I'm gonna cut in a few minutes. So thank you, sir. Let me get a small plate so that I can put the chicken in. This is how I cut my chicken. Out, then I go up, out, then I come here, then I come here again, out. Since I'm the one who eats this chicken piece, I like removing this like that. Out. I come here. Out. Let me cut this part first. Our butcher's knife is no longer sharp. It's not as sharp as I remember it to be. Oh, it almost failed. Out. Then I come here. Out. Where is it? Out. And then we get to this piece. Out. Out. Nope. There you go. Come with me. Then you wash. Always clean after yourself. But always breaking it like that. This is what is cold. I'm done. Thank you.